How to create account in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a new account. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. Now here, we're in this website. Now on the top, you'll be able to see a small option called create an account. Simply tap on create an account. Now here, you must add your email address. So simply enter the email address and tap on continue. Now a new form will pop up. Here you must add all your credentials and all the details here. So it's better you add it because later you might need it, and it will even be better for shipping and other purposes. So here, add your phone number, birth date, and later at last simply tap on join now and you will be set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.